Hello everyone, today we're going to take a look at the Super Starter Kit for Arduino Uno R3s from a company called Elegoo.com. Alright, the kit does come with a CD, but a lot of computers nowadays don't even have CDs, so you can go to Elegoo.com/download and download everything that you would find on that CD. It's got a lot of tutorials and information there. But let's take a look in the box and see what we get with this. First, we get an Arduino. Alright, an Arduino in this little sealed package. It is an Arduino Uno knockoff, but I've heard that it functions exactly as well as the original there. So that's like the guts of the whole thing. It's programmable, and all of these things here are just attachments that go to it. We got some jumper wires. We got a USB cable that we can use to connect to it. Digital display. Got a motor, little fingerboard controller. This right here is, of course, our breadboard that we're going to build all of our circuits on. Right here's one that's already been opened. A bunch of resistors and a bunch of other things as well in here. And then it has a little grid over here that tells you what all these little parts are here. All right, probably where we're going to start is with this little piece here. This is the power supply. This is a power supply. And what you can do with it is you can plug it right straight into one of these breadboards. And then it delivers power to the rails along the side, these two rails on the outside, plus and minus on each side. All right, we take that, and then we take the Uno, and then we can take the power off of this into that. You can also connect straight from USB to the Uno and power it up too as well. And then we got all kinds of other things too in here. We won't go through all of them at this time here, but like a humidity sensor. Let's see, what is this one? There's a ultrasonic ranging device like that. Another motor. I'm not sure what that one is there. It's got some kind of LEDs on it. Tiny little breadboard as well. A bunch of LEDs for making up circuits, which we'll probably do one here very quickly. A little joystick. You can make little robots, you know, and make them move forward, backward, and stuff like that. A little joystick inside there. And then there's a 9-volt battery that can be used to power the whole thing too as well. All right. So probably the best way to get started would be to take a look at the stuff that is on the CD. Okay, rather than looking at the CD, we're just going to go to the Elegoo.com website. And here, this is a company that sells basically two things: 3D printing stuff and Arduino kits. And, of course, you can, with those two things, build all kinds of things like robots and so on. All right, Uno R3 Starter Kit. All right, this shows the different kits that they sell. All of them right now are sold out because we're just past Christmas time. But we want to find out what to download, the stuff that's on the CD. So I'm going to go under Downloads, Arduino Kits. And this is where we can download all the software and stuff that we would find on the CD-ROM. Now, first thing we need is the Arduino IDE. That's the Integrated Development Environment. That's the software that you use to program the Arduino device. All right, so you'll download that and load that into your computer, and then you can work with the Arduino Uno. Let's see. There also is a spot for user support for their Arduino kits. We click on the R3 Starter Kit, and here's the stuff that you can download that would be on the CD. All right, it's a big zip file, so you're just going to download that, extract it onto your computer. And it has a bunch of PDF files. Let's look at a couple. Okay, we have our folder that we extracted from the zip file. Let's take a look into it. You want to download that somewhere on your computer. And there's 3 folders, or actually you first got to pick which language that you want to work with. I'm going to go with English. And then inside of it is a number of modules, learning modules. If we start with part 1, it gives us a number of PDF files that basically walks us through how to use an Arduino, including just unpacking it and getting things connected up. So here's the first lesson. It's basically just a packing list, and it walks you through what's in the box and what all the little devices are, etc. All right, pretty much that's it for that. The second one then, lesson 2, is how to actually hook the thing up, and it's pretty well detailed on how to do it, so we're not going to go through the entire thing at this point. All right, so that's a good way to get started. Another way to do it is to go on YouTube. There are tons of websites and YouTube videos on how to get started with Arduino as well. I'm going to show you one of my favorites so far. Okay, here's one of my favorite YouTube channels for learning how to use Arduinos. The guy's name is Paul McWhirter. He's an engineer, and he has made many very good videos on very basic stuff on how to program Arduinos, but then he also has playlists on very advanced stuff too, like using artificial intelligence and engineering and robotics and stuff like that. But his Arduino videos are pretty good. The lesson number 1 starts you right out with how to hook the thing up, how to download the software, how to start the most basic of programs. So this would be a good spot to get a start to, if you're going totally from scratch on how to even hook the thing up and do anything at all. That's a great video to watch right there as well.